Welcome to the machine learning overview, and in this course we are going to see what is machine learning, and this will be most about the introduction part, that is trying to understand the machine learning, and it will not going into the in-depth. And for going in depth, I will explain at the end of this one overview that if you want to learn in depth of machine learning, what should be your approach. We'll be having this is the knowledge sharing flow. So we'll have what is machine learning, why it is emerging field, various types of machine learning, and various other types of machine learning, and we'll also see a few applications. And since this is overview, so I have tried to keep it as much as possible non-technical, so that everyone can understand, but for little bit some places I'll go technical, and if you find it is getting too tough, you can skip those slides. First of all, let us see the definition of machine learning. And when you see the definition of machine learning over the internet, there are a number of definitions. Okay, I'll use that one of the definitions given by Arthur Samuel. First of all, I would like to tell you that Arthur Samuel, he was a colleague of Alan Turing, and I hope you know that Alan Turing is called father of artificial intelligence. And he was colleague of Alan Turing, and during that time, we're discussing among himself, he has given this definition: the ability of computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Please see the word explicitly. It means the computer should be smart enough to learn without being explicitly programmed. And this is one of the very, very famous work he has done around sometime when this definition was going on. Then he used to play the game of checkers with IBM computers, and he was teaching that how to play the checkers, and he also used to play. So this is the one of the very, very famous picture, and this is also renowned, one of the things always talked about whenever we talk about the machine learning. So let's go ahead. This question always comes: why machine learning is emerging field? If you see the data, this data has been taken from the LinkedIn over here on the site, that in 2018, every minute, what is the work happening? You see that how you are associated. If you are on the Facebook, if you are on the Twitter, or if you are on YouTube, anything, or I am also LinkedIn, then in 1 minute, what is the work happening? If you see that 1 minute, approximately 16 million text messages are getting tweeted. So this is a huge number. And when you have such huge amount of data, and algorithms are also getting paid, like logistic started sometime in 1958, and logistic is still the very, very strong algorithm. Although there have been the many modern algorithm which does the work the way it is doing, and then lot of these things like random forest, very strong, deep learning, extremely strong, k-nearest neighbor, still good, support vector machine, it is still one of the unique algorithm. And infrastructure, you can see that how powerful it is. You see your mobile, it is coming like 8 GB RAM. It is huge. 8 GB RAM on your hand, and it is extremely that much powerful infrastructure you have. Now you can get as much as RAM and hard disk possible in the cloud. So infrastructure is also available at a very cheap price and easily available. So the combination of huge data, strong algorithms, and easy infrastructure is making machine learning viable as of today. The main challenge happens in the machine learning. It is how do you teach the machine learning? How do you teach? Sorry for that. Okay, how do you teach it? So this is the main challenge. I'm trying to explain it by figure. See, we have been taught about the various elephants if you see from the very beginning. So as a human being, we can recognize that all these are elephant. This is elephant calf, this is human being, and in this picture elephant, and this is sun. Here it is elephant, and these 4 plants, this is the 4 different plants behind the elephant. It is not on top of the elephant, and this is a small elephant. So this is what we have learned from the very childhood, and we can recognize. Exactly same thing needs to be taught to machine, so a machine can recognize what is the elephant, where is the elephant, what is this object, what is that object, and so on. So this is the biggest challenge of the machine learning. And we'll go ahead, we'll start getting more and more. So thanks for watching it, and we'll see in the next video.